Now we're on part 21 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. We will now focus on the tools for social media marketing, as it is an interesting topic and an essential aspect of digital marketing. Previously, we discussed various tools such as SEO, paid advertising, competition analysis, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and web analytics. Given the vast range of tools available for social media marketing, it is important to conclude our discussion by covering this area. One of the most popular social media marketing tools available is Hootsuite. It operates in a freemium model, meaning you can start with a free trial by creating a basic account. Hootsuite offers a wide range of features from setting up landing pages to publishing content and social listening. In my opinion, Hootsuite is one of the most robust social media marketing tools available. Another popular tool is Buffer, which offers both a paid version and a low-cost or free account. Additionally, TweetDeck, which has been around for a long time, is a free tool that I would recommend, and we will be discussing it further in a few minutes. Another popular social media marketing platform is Sprout Social, which offers similar features to Hootsuite, such as reporting, publishing, and social listening. Later on, we will also be looking at Sprout Social as well. From a social media perspective, these tools are crucial because they help you manage and schedule your content effectively and efficiently. When you are generating a lot of content, it is essential to have a system in place to streamline the process. It's common to use multiple social media platforms based on your business needs, audience, products, and available resources. Social media marketing tools allows you to manage all your social media accounts in one place rather than individually logging into each platform. This consolidation of social media accounts makes it easier to manage and schedule content, respond to comments, and analyze engagement metrics. Managing multiple social media accounts in one place is an important benefit of social media marketing tools. To make this process easier, these platforms should allow you to add and manage different accounts effortlessly. Many of these tools enable you to add not just one, but several accounts from different social media platforms, including Twitter. A quality social media marketing tool should also provide analytics to help you monitor the results of your campaigns effectively. One of the critical functions of social media marketing tools is to monitor posts and analyze metrics to identify which platforms are driving leads and sales. Each platform will have different metrics associated with it, so it is essential to manage them efficiently. Rather than logging into each platform individually, a social media marketing tool allows you to monitor all accounts in one place. This makes it easier to track engagement and sales and adjust your strategy accordingly. Customizing every social media post across different platforms is another essential feature that these tools provide. This customization allows you to tailor your message to the audience of each platform effectively. Social media marketing tools makes it more manageable to customize your post for different platforms. Instead of sending out a generic message across all platforms, you can tailor each post based on factors like the product, target audience, and time of day. These tools allow for easy customization, making it more effective to engage with your audience. Additionally, social media marketing tools have listening functionality that helps you identify brand advocates, influencers, and non-advocates. By analyzing the behavior of your audience, you can optimize individual posts based on real-time data. For instance, if a post goes viral, you can react quickly to capitalize on its success. The social media marketing tools such as Sprout Social and Hootsuite provide real-time data and allow you to react to the behavior of your audience accordingly. Monitoring website traffic and conversion rates is crucial as it helps you to achieve your business goals. In addition, there are other digital marketing tools that can assist you in various ways. To begin, let's explore the available options for social media marketing. It's important to remember that each platform has its own metrics, such as Facebook Insights for Facebook. This allows you to see metrics like page views, engagements, and recent posts over a specific period of time. So even if you're only using one platform, you can still access these metrics just like you would for Facebook ads. Essentially, while you can view data on individual platforms like Facebook Insights, the advantage of using social media tool like Sprout Social is that you can measure all your social media accounts in one place. By linking all your accounts within Sprout Social, you don't have to log in into each platform individually. Instead, you can access reports and metrics on Sprout Social similar to Facebook Insights, but with added benefit of having everything in one place. In other words, by using a social media tool like Sprout Social, you can consolidate all your social media accounts and view their metrics and reports in one place. This eliminates the need to log in into each platform individually. You can view important metrics such as impressions, engagement, clicks, audience growth, publishing behavior, top posts, and impressions by day, all within Sprout Social. And if you need more detailed information, you can still log in into the individual platform, but the tool provides a convenient way to access and view all the important information in one place. Efficiently navigating between different social media platforms is important, and using a tool like Sprout Social allows for easy access to different accounts. Another benefit of using a social media tool is that the ability to push content in an organized and scheduled manner. This is important to avoid submitting and publishing content too closely together, which can be ineffective. By scheduling and spacing out content, it can be published more efficiently and effectively. This section describes how easy it is to schedule and publish content using a social media tool. All you need to do is click the Compose button, select the platform, write your message, and schedule it for a specific time. This way, you can ensure that your posts are spaced out effectively. Once a post is scheduled, you can then analyze its performance using the report function. By tracking the reaction to your post, you can adjust your strategy accordingly. This process is seamless and can be done across different social media platforms. Another feature I appreciate about social media management tools like Hootsuite and many others is their listening functionality. This allows users to monitor and listen in on conversations that are happening online. For instance, if we are in the business of mail delivery, we can use Twitter search within the tool to see what people are tweeting about mail delivery. We can even refine our search by choosing a specific location or radius to focus on if we are local business. Let's look at another example, the Later.com tool, which is similar to Sprout Social in its features. You can also schedule content on various social media platforms using Later.com. What's nice about Later.com is that you can view your scheduled posts visually on a calendar. You can see that you have a post scheduled for 1:15 p.m. today, and you can choose which profile to publish it on from the 5 profiles you have set up on the account. Being able to see your scheduled posts on a calendar makes it much easier to keep track of them. Additionally, you can click on the media library within Later.com. Later.com has a feature called Media Library, which enables users to reuse images. By selecting an image from the library, users can view it when it was used, add a label, and see it on a calendar. Later.com also has a conversions tool that allows users to connect to a social media platform and listen to ongoing conversations. Additionally, there is an analytics feature that provides insights into how a user's social media platform is performing. So within Later.com, I can view my social media platform's performance over the last 7 days, including the growth rate, number of followers, and impressions. I can also analyze specific post performance, including likes, comments, reach, and engagement rate. If I need more detailed information, I can click on details to see metrics such as discovery actions, comments, and saves. So TweetDeck is a tool that connects to your Twitter account and provides a different visual representation of your Twitter feed. With TweetDeck, you can see how your Twitter account looks in terms of your feed, and it's a tool that I've been using for a long time. I can view notifications and messages on one column and activity on another column in TweetDeck. Additionally, I have the option to add more columns to monitor specific things, such as trending topics on Twitter. For instance, I added a trending column to see all current trends. This feature allows me to focus on a specific topic like the World Cup by typing it in the search bar. I can observe various notifications, specific messages, and activities in different columns on TweetDeck, and by adding more columns, I can easily view various trending topics, search results, or specific topics. For instance, I have added a trending column that allows all the current trends on Twitter, and by typing a particular keyword such as World Cup, I can view all related tweets. Moreover, I can select a particular hashtag such as #FridayFeeling and view who is using it in their tweets. Additionally, I am currently following men's health, so I can view all the relevant posts related to it. The purpose of using TweetDeck is to provide an informative overview of your account as well as any specific topic or trend that you wish to follow. By adding columns, you can easily see notifications, messages, and activity, as well as search for specific topics or trending hashtags. This is useful for monitoring your brand, competitors, or a particular product. Overall, TweetDeck is a great tool for keeping track of what's going on Twitter and allows you to listen on the conversations that are taking place. There is a helpful YouTube video available on how to begin social media marketing. If you haven't already watched it, I suggest taking a look as it discusses some of the same tools we covered today, such as Sprout Social, Later.com, and Facebook Insights, providing a more detailed information about these social media marketing tools. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 22.